Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to make quick fix for soupy scalloped potatoes. Got soupy scalloped or au gratin potatoes? Add some instant potato mix and stir in. Doesn't change the taste of the dish and no lumps. Add just enough to use as a thickening agent.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Make a cornstarch slurry for a fast and easy thickener. Use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch per cup of liquid you would like to thicken. Stir out all the lumps. A few minutes before your casserole is done, add it a little at a time until you are happy with the thickness. Then, let the casserole finish baking.
Take our lead.
Cook only until potatoes are tender. It's not just meat that can be overcooked. Casseroles can be, too. And if you overcook your scalloped potatoes, the milk is not only likelier to curdle, but the potatoes will break down into complete mush. 13 November 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cornstarch, flour, tapioca, powdered milk, or a hard cheese like Parmesan are all great ways to get your potatoes a little thicker. Don't forget to sample your potatoes after adding your thickener so you can add more seasonings if needed. The 12th of November 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.